Welcome to today's class, dear friends. Today we are going to try something different. That is accessing WhatsApp in your computer. We know that all of us are normally using WhatsApp in our mobiles. But sometimes it will be too difficult to read something. In that case, you can bring WhatsApp screen in your computer. So that is what we are going to learn today. Are you ready? Okay, so let's start. We all know that WhatsApp is an important application which is used by almost everyone, and all are using WhatsApp in their mobile phone. But in some cases, it is very difficult to read if the data is very big. In such cases, we can link our mobile WhatsApp with our computer. Today we are going to learn how mobile WhatsApp can be linked or it can be seen in your computer. For that, come to Google Chrome search engine and there type WhatsApp web. WhatsApp web. Search for it and here you select WhatsApp web. You will get a code like this. Okay. Now here clearly it is written what is to be done with your mobile phone. Now what you have to do is take your mobile phone and open WhatsApp in it. After that, tap the menu, that is click on three vertical dots are there, right? In the top right corner, three vertical dots you can find, or in settings. From there you select WhatsApp web. Okay, so when you select this, a four corner square you will get. Four cornered square you will get. Just bring that square near to this code. That is, point your phone to this screen to capture the code. So when it is correctly captured, a small vibration will come to your phone. That means it is okay for accessing. After that, you can see your mobile phone's WhatsApp in your computer. Okay, so after using it, you have to log it out. That is, again, there you can see three dots, vertical dots you can find. Just click on that and select logout, or else whatever messages coming on your mobile phone, it can be seen in this computer. Okay, so before closing, just make it sure that whether you have logged out or not. So these are a simple procedure. This is a simple procedure to bring your WhatsApp in your computer. Hope it's clear for you. Keep on watching my channel for new videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you.